go down.
Whoa, that is a lot of bad guys.
Attention, citizens! You may have noticed we are in the midst of a small, insignificant invasion. We are working hard to broadcast the laws so we can find a peaceful resolution. But until they return our calls, it's probably best to remain in your home.
Wait a second. Yeah, I got it. Oh man, I'm getting lit up.
Oh boy.
Oh man.
That's a Cora Barrelite statue. She's the youngest recruit ever to be selected for the Galactic Rangers.
Oh, yeah.
That's the last of them. I gotta get the fuels back for this. And I gotta be really careful. Like, oh dear, more of them. That must be the mayor's ship.
This is a transmission for the Galactic Rangers. Please, assistance. This is Admiral Buckwash, mayor of the Cobra Crater of Novalis.
Mayor Buckwash will not last long without our help.
go there.
Anyone, honey! We're in danger!
Is taking out our advance team. Bravo team, move in and execute.
We are under attack! Please!
Oh my goodness.
Out of ammo. Enemy down.
Keep on fighting!
Ouch. That one hurt.
Ugh, come on.
We're gonna send you to Lombax heaven.
Hello? Is it safe to come
Almost
out?
dies.
Thank you. Thank you. I thought we were done for sure.
We are happy to be of assistance. Why is Drek trying to kill you?
It's my nephew, Skid McMarks.
Wait, Skid McMarks, the pro hoverboarder?
He sent me this infobot from Iridia, and the Blarg have been after me ever since. Here, take a look.
Hey, Uncle Blackwash! Skid McMarks here. You know, your nephew. My agent and I are at the awesome grand opening of the McMarks Sports Shack here on Iridia, and boy, has this been a trip. I've gotten to meet all kinds of people. Fans, celebrities, my Gadgetron sponsors. I even got to sign autographs for these odd-looking creatures called the Blarg. I guess they're doing something here on Iridia. Wait, hold on a second. Hydro Harvester Super Illegal Water Displacement Apparatus. I don't think I was supposed to have this.
Stop him! He's got the schematics!
Help! Someone, call my agent, call my publicist. Actually, don't call either of those people. Call someone who cares about me. I don't want to die!
Sounds like Skid McMarks is in trouble. We gotta get to Iridia.
Agreed. But we must first repair our ship.
Right. Okay, let's see if we can find some help.
Attention, citizens. Your mayor is safe and sound. I was rescued by a furry hero and his robot friend. I will now resume regular office hours, which is every third Tuesday from 10
and jumped and jumped and seriously, what's with all the jumping?
Big Al here. You've just collected your first holo card.
Cool.
You can earn single holo cards by defeating enemies. Or you can explore secret areas to find packs of 3. Your goal is to complete a whole set of holo cards.
Dual Vipers. Is that a gun you get in this game? Comes Workshop. Plumber. B6 Obliterator. Dual Vipers. Tesla Spikes. Huh. Obsidian fire technology. Boxing shoes, plastic, well, that's cool. Oh. Take a look at the weapons here. Done. Your weapons. Okay, choose your slot. Your gadgets. Hydro pack. Omni wrench. Swing shot. That's more like a grappling hook now. Card collection map. Actually, nailed him. Yeah, you wanna fall down there. Goodies.
What is that? A squirrel?
Well, Lombax, you jackass. You got bogeys. I want like a sniper rifle in this game. I want there to be a long range rifle, like a number 3. Game, I love it. All the colors. They did such a good job. And it's just got that homey feel because it's the first game. Almost falls off the edge. What? I locked my big gun. It's got like a little dial on it too. Yeah, extra crispy.
He's gone plug and jammed the transmission. Who's gonna save us now? Oh, hello there. I'm glad you're here. Hey, have we met before? Because I'm getting a touch of the old deja vu.
I don't think so.
Huh. Well, guess the old think tank could use a good plumbing. Anywho, I've been trying to get a distress call to the Galactic Rangers ever since Drax's forces showed up.
This entire region is overrun with Blargian dropships. We need to get you out of here.
Well, I can't go anywhere until I get this here infobot into the hands of Captain Quark.
We were on our way to speak with him when our ship was shot down. Perhaps we could take a look.
Oh, sure thing. I swapped it from one of those Blarg soldiers. Here you go.
Oh, hello there. I'm Alonzo Drek, chairman of Drek Industries. Many of you may be wondering, why are 300 heavily armed warbots marching ominously towards a Class G dread ship? The answer is simple, friends. Progress. Years ago, we were driven underground by pollution that may or may not, but most definitely was, caused by my father's company. Since then, we've shifted focus from robotics to planet building. Now that our project is nearing completion, we must do everything possible to stay on schedule. In this case, it means our friendly army of warbots must vanquish those who would seek to stop us. Good news? They don't know we're coming! So sit back, relax, and take comfort in the knowledge that Drek Industries is working for you!
Drek Industries is not working for you.
I see you're having a little transportation trouble. Why don't I meet you by your ship? We'll get you squared away and ready to fly.
Did that guy just slide down a sewer pipe? Well, it does look like the fastest way down. Let's give it a shot.
Not until we look around. That's cool. I want to get to the goodies. Alright, let's slide down the pipe.
Some of them and buy a proton drum.
That was awesome. Want to do it again?
Okay, let's see what we got here.
And so, Ratchet and Clank set out to fix their ship with the help of the Plumber. Little did they know they would soon come so close to greatness, they'd be able to hear its mighty biceps ripple. But first, they'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine. Killjoy.
Well, you look about all fixed up here. Now promise me you'll get that infobot to Captain Quark.
I promise. Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you in the next reboot.